just introduction.
So, welcome to our live. Before we start, please follow and share our live for today. So, for today, we'll be introducing you Nature Republic from Korea and also Shingmulwon from Korea. It is under Nature Republic. So, we have different products. We have facial mask, aloe vera gel tone up cream, facial mask, and makeup from Nature Republic, concealer, eyeshadow, lip balm, and liquid glitter. Then the lip tints and the lip crayon and other eyeshadow. And the shampoo from Nature Republic. So please follow and share our live for today. So let us start with our hair care products. We have the black bean and the argan lip shampoo.
Ingredient of black bean and black complex while providing a refreshing finish by absorbing excessive sebum from the scalp with the ingredient of peat water.
Anti-hair loss root tonic. So this benefits of this magical little bean, which is known to protect your scalp and your roots of your hair and cleaning and promoting hair growth and preventing hair loss. Okay, and it comes in this nice little box. It's a great gift, yes?
Yeah, it's the greatest gift for your loved ones, or your sisters, or your mother, or for your family.
Yes, birthday gifts or Christmas gifts. You can plan ahead for that. You're not rushed in the Christmas time. Okay, and then what else can we learn about today?
Then next, we also have here the Argan Essential Deep Care Shampoo.
This Argan Essential Deep Care Shampoo contains highly concentrated organic argan oil for extremely damaged hair. Yeah. And then it helps repair split ends and brittle hair. And then rich organic argan oil provide moisture and nutrition for severely damaged hair. And then the next one is rose hip oil and primrose oil gives glossy, tangle-free improvement.
Okay.
And it also have a mild formula shampoo giving silky soft hair.
This is really loved in Europe and also in African countries and the Middle East because the argan oil is already known about, especially Middle Eastern women. They already know. We don't even have to explain what are the benefits. It's one of the most popular ingredients for shampoo, for lotion. So this is one of the most popular ingredients. Argan Essential Deep Care Shampoo Very high nutrients here. It's what it says. So how do I buy this if I'm interested to test this product by Nature Republic?
So you just have
Nature
to
Republic.
go to our Facebook page, Korea Shop ABC. And then we already posted our product links of Nature Republic. So just visit Korea Shop ABC.
And it has the seal so that you know that it is original and it is new, brand new. Yes, great. And what can you show us next? I want to know about this. I want to know about this one. What is this? All this commotion. What is all this commotion about? It's 6 years, continuously, award-winning product. Okay. What is this? Nature Republic, ginseng, royal, silk, water, cream, Monday selection, International Quality Institute, Grand Gold Quality Award, Europe International Quality Evaluation, Monde selection. So this is a very confidence product. So you can see. Can you show us? You can test this on your face, okay? Let me see how we can cut this. Where can we cut this? Right here, there's an area that you can peel. Can you show me your hand? Okay, and then we can show you what it looks like. Let's put it on the palm of your, put it on the. So this is the product which has won consecutive awards in Korea. So you can put it on. You can try it on.
Okay, so for this royal ginseng from Nature Republic,
Let's try. Let's try on my face.
so this is silky water cream sachet.
How does it smell?
Very nice smell.
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
And you can see the beautiful gold sparkles inside. And it has brightening effects, anti-wrinkle wrinkle improvement.
Yeah. After applying, just massage up.
So for this,
So it has elixir barrier. So the Korean women are really concerned about creating a protective barrier on your skin to prevent it from damage from anything from fluorescent lights, sunlight, air pollution. So you have to create a protective barrier, and this product has won awards 6 consecutive years, and it is one of the most famous Korean brands, Nature Republic. Okay, so what's your opinion? It's your first time to try this?
Yeah, this is first time I tried.
Yes. How is the smell? The smell, the feeling, the texture, the...
It smells nice and then moisturize my skin.
okay, so this has red ginseng.
Red ginseng.
Yes, it
Wonderful.
includes red ginseng.
Mm-hmm.
And then we also have here the snail solution kit.
Okay.
The snail solution from Nature Republic. So this contains cream, toner, and emulsion. So for this one, if you want an anti-aging effect, you can use this trial kit, this nail solution. It includes snail secretion that will help your
Snail.
face to be moisturized.
So this is a very brightening and wrinkle improvement snail solution trial kit. It's a very small quantity of the brightening anti-wrinkle improvement booster, cream, and emulsion. 3 products in a small trial kit. Mm. Okay, next.
Okay, the next.
Next, so we also have the hyphenol.
Yeah, this is hyphenol toner.
So it includes a toner 20 ml and the ampule 5 ml. It includes highly concentrated hyaluronic acid. So it will help your skin to be more moisturized. It also has anti-aging effect. So it also includes panthenol B5 that will help retain your moisture from your face and your skin.
Okay. This is our product.
Oops. Okay, and then?
It's called
Okay.
sorry.
No problem. Okay, and then we want to try on the color products. Can we learn more about the Nature Republic's color products?
So for the Nature Republic lipsticks, we have here the Lip Velvet and the Lip Rouge. So this is a lip crayon type of lipstick. So if you want a semi-matte finish, and you can use the velvet one.
So this one is the line of the Nature Republic Red Lip Velvet. Okay. So we have the colors hibiscus. Hibiscus. We also have chili red. We have darling latte. This is the lip velvet line. And then we have the lip rouge line, which has the colors having, can you see this? It's the lip rouge, Nature Republic. This is paper printed with soy ink. So they're very environmentally friendly, conscious company, which is a very big concern for more and more people around the world. They don't want to support companies that neglect animal cruelty, and so great. And this is by Flower Eco Crayon Lip Rouge, Nature Republic. Okay. And then we have another color here. This is the peach coral. Can I see this one is what color? So, so we're gonna try on this one. This is one of my favorites. As you can see, I'm using it every day. So this is the Eco Crayon Lip Rouge that we have here. Okay.
Okay, I'll try.
So what I personally love about this lip product is that
Smells so good.
it smells so good. It tastes so good. Some lipsticks, it tastes terrible and it makes your throat hurt. You know, this is what I love about Nature Republic, is that they're tested and tested, that you don't ever have to worry about the product smelling bad, tasting bad, or feeling bad in your throat like this. It's been tested. And the color is beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
You're beautiful. Okay, let me see your hand. Let me put it on your hand. And what I love about this product is that it's creamy,
Yeah,
and
creamy
at the same time it's very gentle and soft, and it absorbs, and it's not for very long lasting. It's actually very gentle and easy to take off, and it's very easy. Just I don't look at the mirror and I just put it on without thinking. So this is the Nature Republic product. So
the color.
this is the color on the hand, and
A
then
sample color of the
yes.
Nature Republic lipstick.
Yes, so this is 100% recommended, and actually one of my favorites. Okay, and then it looks great. Look how different she looks, even just with the lipstick. Okay, next we have
The lip tint. So this is a dewy type of lip tint, glass lip tint from Nature Republic. So if you want a moist and glossy type of lip tints, you can use this one.
okay. What colors do we have of this?
We have Bear Scarlet.
Okay.
The next one is Romance Pink.
Okay.
The third, Peach Ending.
Okay.
The number 6, Rose Memory.
Rose Memory.
Yeah. This number 7, Pumpkin Brown.
Pumpkin brown.
Yeah.
Okay, and
I
then
love brown.
you love browns.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are introducing Nature Republic, one of our favorite brands from Korea. Their line of the most amazing products, and also their products for budget, cost-friendly prices. So we have everything from color cosmetics and hair products and masks, face wash, which we will introduce to you, and also concealer sticks and BB creams. Okay, so we're gonna go back to, for me, this one is one of my most exciting. I love sparkly eyeshadow.
So for this eyeshadow, it has 9 kinds of glitters. So if you want a glitter type of eyeshadow, you can use the Glitter Holic palette from Nature Republic.
So this is the glitter palette. Can you describe to me anything? Educate me about the eyeshadows of...
This is glitter eyeshadow. Is have 9 kinds of glitters.
9. Okay. Yeah. Amazing colors.
Then...
Okay. 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 So let's try on one. What do you guys think? Nicole and Sarah, why don't you choose one of the eyeshadows? Let's try to unbox but choose carefully. Which one do you want to choose? We have 3: cool pink, we have soft brown, and then we have burgundy. So choose one. You chose soft pink. Okay.
Yeah, this is the
Okay.
inside the box. 4 type of the
Okay.
glitters. So we will try it.
Okay, so we just unboxed. We just unboxed this lovely Mood Nature Republic. So you can try it on each other. Nicole, which color would you like to try of the...
Okay, I will try it for you. I'll put you.
Okay.
So with me. What do you want to try? The pink one, yeah.
Oh, Hold on, hold on. We are trying on the Nature Republic glitter palette.
Are you okay, Nicole? Yes. This is first time you use, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
The color this one.
So you can put it by yourself and you can have your friend put it on for you. What color is this one from the palette?
This is pink.
We are trying on Nature Republic. Ooh, I dropped something. Lovely Mood Nature Republic. You can become more and more beautiful with Nature Republic from South Korea. Where can I order one of these amazing eyeshadows?
So you can order
You
from
can order from our shop, by Shopee, Korea Shop ABC.
Okay, now it's your turn. I'm gonna put it on you. Yeah?
Um,
Okay. Okay, so you can use your fingers to do it, or you can use the eyeshadow brush. Okay, so
okay.
what I like to do is I like to start with a little bit of the bright color. Close your eyes to make the palette of the eye vivid. You're gonna see a nice before and after, and then I like to add the dark, a little bit smoky, and then add the sparkle touch here, and then on the corners. And I love the Nature Republic sparkly because it's not easy to find high quality eyeshadow, which is creamy, sparkly, moist, comfortable, and you know it's safe on your face.
Yeah.
Because I don't like to buy any brands because I don't trust the safety of it going into my skin. Open your eyes. Oh! Okay, let me add a little bit more.
Okay.
Close your eyes again. So, depending on your mood, you can change your colors. Make it darker, make it lighter. Open. Nice. Okay, you can see your mirror and you can keep it and I'm beautiful came out. I'm beautiful came out. Okay, let's go back to next products. Please introduce us to the next Nature Republic products.
So we also have here the liquid eye glitter. This is a liquid type of glitters. You can use this on your eyelids and also under your eyes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 colors available.
And what is this one? This is a unique one here. This is the Shine Tint Balm.
Yes, this one is a lip balm. It includes a little bit of tint, so it's like a 2-in-1 type of product.
The multi-blending palette. What is this one?
For this one, we have 1 eyeshadow included, and then it has 3
Can you open
eyeshadows.
one? I want you to try to open one. Let's see. What is this one? So it comes with You look so beautiful.
Thank you, Mom.
This one is, let's unbox this one. Multi-blending palette. What is this? Whoa! What is this? What does this do? Modern brown. This one is. Oh, cool. What is this? So multi-blending palette. Let's see. Mauve Plum was just unboxed. Oh my gosh. That's very cool. So it has 3 different exciting tones. And we have this one version in modern brown and also in mute brown. And also in the peach coral. Great. And then, what is this one here? What is this one here?
This is
So
Okay.
this is a pencil concealer.
This is really exciting product for me.
yeah, this is concealer, Nature Republic.
Go
product.
sit.
We have printed dry ink,
Okay.
and then this is color number 3 natural beige,
Out of
Yeah.
all these different colors,
and then the different colors, the others, number 3. That's the same. Yeah.
why is this one so amazing, you guys? I love this pic. I love this thing because I'm always traveling and I don't have concealer with me when I'm traveling, and I have a pimple and I have to meet somebody and I'm helpless with my pimple. Okay? So, can you give us one of your pimples that we can test on? Okay? You can choose the tone that matches your skin. You have similar skin tone, so
Natural.
let's choose one. Let's see what colors there are.
Yeah.
Nicole. Which one did you choose?
Natural.
Natural.
Yeah.
Nicole and Sarah, both. We have to test one of your pimples and seeing if it's on. Hold on. Hold on. What are we doing here? We are showing. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Perfect. Sometimes we need pimples to show the impact of the Nature Republic. Pro Bangs Pencil Concealer Natural Beige. So you have to see the before and the after. Okay. I will try one too for Nicole on the forehead skin. Okay. For example, there's one pimple, not pimple, but like a redness here. So what you do is you carry just this pencil with you. It's the Nature Republic Natural Beige Concealer number 3. You find one that matches your skin tone, so you have some redness here, and then you can touch up on these little areas. And it gives you great coverage all within one pencil. Okay, now it's your turn.
Yeah, it's my turn.
Nicole, you can fix one of her. The idea is not to be perfect. The idea is to take care of your skin, take care of your mood, your self-care. Okay? Even if you have like a birthmark, okay? That you, sometimes you want to hide a birthmark.
Yeah, hide my birthmark.
Let me see, Nicole, I cannot see. Okay, so let me try because the camera cannot see. Okay, Nicole, okay. Okay, you can see, what are we looking at here? We are looking at the Nature Republic. Amazing concealer stick. So I'm gonna cover up. You have not many, okay? Let's say it's a pimple. Okay, look to the. Oh no, I drew on Tata. Tata needs a red concealer. Okay, you cannot laugh. Okay, so this is giving you coverage in a pencil. You can carry it. It's very lightweight. You don't need to carry a big, heavy pack. So sometimes you need to do it a little bit more than one time. Let me see a pimple. I think we need a pimple. You don't have a pimple. Okay, like this. But let's say you have a pimple and you want to cover up your pimple today before a meeting. Okay, let's get rid of this, for example. Okay, so you get the point. So you can touch up the points that you want. Voila! And then you can rub it like this so that it looks natural and blend it in. So what did we just show you? This one is the Nature Republic pencil for coverage.
Okay.
Next. Next, what will you show us, Nicole? Next.
So we also have the
Oh, this is amazing.
Yes.
This is amazing because why? It comes with these
roller.
3 metal roller balls which will cool under your eyes if you have under eye issues, if you have under eye bags, under eye dryness, puffiness, swelling.
So it is a aloe vera eye serum. So will you use this one under your eyes if you have problem with dryness or dark circles? This can also help.
Okay. Nothing to read. So, you know, the Nature Republic, one of their most famous products are the aloe vera gel lines. And it's also one of their best-selling products. Okay. So this one is the aloe vera soothing moisture cooling eye serum, soothing deep moisturizing nutrients found in the aloe vera by Nature Republic. How can we get this one?
So just visit our shop, Korea Shop ABC, Facebook, Shopee. We just search our shop.
Okay, this has aloe vera part 74%. It's a cooling eye serum with 3 metal balls. So it gives you a cooling effect and moisturizing. It's full of moisture and elasticity care. It's soothing gel essence. It's fresh massage under your eyes. So you can give yourself eye massage every day. You can carry this with you in your purse. Okay, and you can put it on all day long to take care of your under eye area, which is the most sensitive skin. And this is the first part of the face that when we get older, it starts to get on dark circles. And so you want to be proactive in taking care of the most sensitive eye area. So there's 3 refreshing cooling balls revitalizing the skin. So for reducing fine lines and massage the tired eye area from the aloe vera leaf extract from California. So it moisturizes your eyes with adenosine component to help the sensitive area. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Okay. Okay, next. What can you show us?
The BB cream.
BB cream. Many people are looking for the BB cream to get coverage. So this is with collagen included, BB cream, light beige, SPF 25. Great. Sit down, sit down. Okay, let's move on to an If you want more information about these amazing Nature Republic and Shingmulwon products, you can visit us on our website, and you can find all the descriptions on our Shopee page. You can find all the ingredients and all information. We want to make our channel, our live selling, as informative and interesting and fun for you. So we want to try this Shingmulwon. And by the way, this is super soft. It's really great quality. You'll be surprised, and it's very affordable. You will be surprised at the price of this Shingmulwon aloe vera mask sheet. So Nicole, please, can you try one and tell me your honest opinion about this? And for you too, please take a seat with your mirror. So we are going to try on the Shingmulwon. It's an affiliate company of Nature Republic.
The fresh shooting aloe vera. Yeah.
So how do you use this product? Aloe Fresh Soothing Mask Sheet. So it has all the instructions in the back.
After washing your face, apply toner to prepare the skin of the nut. But now,
Okay. So Shingmulwon Aloe Fresh Soothing Mask we are trying on.
we're trying on.
So you have to use the mirror to place the mask on your face. It has about 23 milliliter, and it's aloe extract, soothes irritated skin and makes your skin smooth. How to use this Shingmulwon Aloe Fresh Soothing Mask Sheet. After washing your face, apply a toner to prepare the skin for the next step of skincare. Open the pouch, pull out the mask and place on the face using the eye area to align correctly. Are you aligning it correctly, ladies? Okay. So you want to, yes, exactly. Like the way Nicole is doing, you want to pat it down on the face so that you are getting as much moisture into your skin. And then a lot of times the nose part gets stuck like this. So you have to pull down the nose part to cover. Yes, sometimes that happens. Pull it down from inside. Yes. So I'll give you some time to fix that. So what are the ingredients? Okay, sorry. You have to open the pouch, pull out the mask, and place on the face using the eye area to align correctly. And remove after, third step, remove after 10 to 20 minutes and gently pat for better absorption. Now, ladies, what I do, and a lot of women do in Korea, because many women habitually wear the masks every week, every day, you will notice in the mask sheet, can you squeeze out any extra? See if you can squeeze out any extra into the palm of your hands. Okay, is there something coming out? Yes. You want to squeeze out the last drop of this very nutritious, very high quality, and you want to add it to the areas that you want to give extra care on your skin, and also in your neck area to prevent wrinkles in the future. Also in your palm of in your hands. You know, we often age because our hands are always facing the sun. So you see that the women start wrinkling on their hands. So we appreciate wrinkles, but we can also take care of our skin and protect more wrinkles, faster wrinkles coming by giving it full of moisture and full of really great ingredients. So what do you feel about this texture of the sheets, and what is your opinion, honest opinion?
Nourish. So the texture of the facial mask is smooth. It doesn't feel rough.
Yeah. And the smell?
The smell is
Fresh.
it smells like aloe vera.
Yeah. Like a
Because
fresh.
it's aloe vera.
Yes.
And then this is the same smell, aloe vera mixture.
Yes, because it has real aloe vera inside it.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we have around 15 minutes more of our live and 15 minutes more before you can take off your mask. So you will continue live streaming with your mask on. Thank you very much. Okay, we want to learn more. What do you have?
We also have the tone-up cream, the Shingmulwon tone-up cream.
Okay.
So this is tangerine. So it has a moisturizing type of sunscreen. So it has natural white, or it is also organic. It will make your face moisturize when you use this one. It will help your skin.
Can you put it on my skin as a tester?
Okay.
So we are testing now the Shingmulwon. What is it?
The Shingmulwon
Tone up whitening
tangerine.
Tangerine.
Up with SPF 50.
Oh, so it's giving you sun cream effect, also brightening tone up effect, and it's SPF 50, and it's made with tangerine vitamins. Wow. Can you, I think this doesn't look so natural. What should we do? We should rub it in so that it will be very natural. Oh, so it blends easily into your skin tone. Nice. I can see it. It's brighter.
Yeah, but
And it's very affordable, and you will be shocked at how much is this product price. You will think, is it really made in Korea and really imported to the Philippines? Because the price is very good, and it's 57 milliliter. It's very large quantity for lasting you all throughout your summers. NatureRepublic.com, made in Korea. So this is a brand that not many people know of, but it is made by, as you can see, NatureRepublic.com. And we have very limited availability, 1, 2, 3, 4, for now. And we will keep restocking. And then here we have the Herb Tree Foam Shaving and Foam Cleanser for men.
So it has herbal water that will help your shaving and cleansing care at the same time. So it provides skin care.
Nature Republic. Wow.
So it has lemon, lavender extract, and thyme flower.
Okay. And then we have here what?
The aloe vera gel and the facial wash. We have the facial wash, the tangerine foam cleanser. This is very big. It is 300 ml.
Whoa, 300 ml.
We also have the other vials.
Oh my god, this is crazy. It's a very big. It contains 300 milliliter. Yeah. So, what are you waiting for? Buy now.
Okay, so we're gonna show you how much this lathers up so nicely. How can you use this? This is an amazing, huge size. Have you seen a Korean face wash foam, Vita Big Foam Cleanser? 300 milliliter. Do you understand how big this one is? It's like face wash security, peace of mind for the women. You can buy this and last you 6 months. Okay, because you can even use a small amount and get great lather. This can be for your whole family. 5 people, 6 people can use this one, and it's super duper great, friendly price, very competitive price. You will be shocked. 300 milliliters provide comfort to skin by plant-derived ingredients from the nature. This is from the, where? Nature Republic distributor. Nature Republic, made in Korea. Nature Republic. Okay, so I think now, okay, we're not gonna use it on the face because we have moisture, but you can try to remove the lipstick that you put on your hand.
Yeah.
But this is for your face wash, but let's see how this product lathers, because this is already open, that we're using every day. Let's see how much the lather. Okay, put the water. So it's, what kind of effect does this have?
So it has vitamin C, ascorbic acid. It will make your face brighter. It also has jeju, lemon, citrus, usui peel extract.
We're talking about here the tangerine Vita Big Foam Cleanser. But we're actually testing right now the aloe. You can see, can you feel, because I use this all the time too. Can you feel like the aloe, the slippery, slimy, the aloe? It's very moisturizing.
Yeah. Moisturizing, smooth, and gentle.
Yeah, super gentle. You can smell the aloe. Yeah.
Smell the aloe.
And it took all the red lipstick off just so easily, right?
Yeah.
But it leaves your skin moisture with the aloe.
Yeah.
It's very soft.
Very soft.
Yes. So here we have the very affordable, huge size Tangerine Vita Big Foam Cleanser. Can you?
So it has vitamin C, ascorbic acid with jeju tangerine peel extract. So it also helps you make your face brighter.
Okay, so I think it's about time now. We are going to unmask, unbox, unmask. But we want you to give your honest opinions about this face mask. Okay. And don't throw it out. I have another secret to tell you. I use that after, because you have all this nice juicy aloe ingredients still. Where do you use this? You can use this all around your arms and your anywhere. Instead of using lotion, I use this after I use on my hands and my arms and my neck area. Like that. Have you ever done this before? So especially like elbow areas or anywhere that you have dry skin, you can use it. because it is super moisturizing for your face, but you can use it more around the areas. Like I use it on my ankles, my knees, my elbows, my arms, my shoulders.
Okay, I use it.
Oh! So you don't want to waste.
I don't want to waste the aloe vera mixture. Sorry.
It came all the way from Korea, so make good use of it. Nicole, you look so beautiful. Okay, and then last but not the least, we have what? You can stay.
We also have a tangerine vitamin sheet by Shingmulwon. And then we have a Chica clear mask sheet
Mm-hmm.
with the same brand as Shingmulwon.
Okay, we have 6 minutes left, so let's explain this one, and then if we have time, we can show our customers all our other products
So for
within the next 5 minutes. Okay.
So for this mask, it also has ascorbic acid and jeju tangerine peel extract that will make your face brighter. It has a soft microfiber sheets, so it will not be rough when you use it on your face.
Mm-hmm.
And then for the Sika mask sheet, it contains centella asiatica extract
Okay.
that will replenish moisture to your skin. So it has microfine yarn meats that it is an emulsion type that is highly concentrated.
Okay. So this one is much bigger size than the ones that we tried. Let's compare. So we have, it's the same company. This one comes in 23 milliliter. This one comes in 26. And it's a different packaging. Okay. So if you want the Chica effects, if you want the tangerine effects, and sometimes Korean ladies, every day we alternate, so that we get the benefits of different fruits, different plants, different ingredients. So this is again Shingmulwon. So we have 4 minutes left. Okay, we have to speed, fast pace, show what we have and what we are about. Okay, Korea Shop ABC. We are here to introduce you we're inspired to become the most informational, real cosmetic, skincare, and BT21 Army products.
Yeah, BTS Army. Wow.
All authentic products from South Korea. You can rest assured that when you purchase from us, you don't have to ask yourself, is this authentic or not? Because why? We are Korean people, and we are in Korea. We are choosing the best of the best products. Okay, I'm talking too much. Let's run down everything that we have.
So here's our other products, the Pure Derm.
We have Pure Derm. We have Farm Stay. And then we have Rosy Rosha. And we have a lipstick, Hara. Yeah. And many more lipstick. So,
Move on.
and then we have Shooting Gel Aloe Vera by Teresia. And SV10. This is special. Wow. And we have a Dr. V Roller, Curve El Flora. We have a marine collagen.
Amazing collagen all-in-one ampoule. This one, we want to show you the amazing what's inside. Can you see what's inside? Can you believe? It says seaweed collagen. All in one. You don't have to use anything except this, especially for lazy evenings. I only use this, nothing else. Wash my face, use this, go to sleep. But, you know, most women have 10 steps routine, but I'm not always that diligent for my skincare, so okay, moving on.
And then we have
Unilever products.
we have Vaseline. Vaseline mask. Okay, we have 3 types of Vaseline. We have brightening and nourishing. And then we have a moisturizing mask. Yeah. And also have lip care from Vaseline. We have so many types of Vaseline here, aloe vera, and many more. And we have foot cream. And we have daily sunscreen.
Oh, okay. Moving on, we have
The Teresia cleansing foam, the ampule, the gold honey, the snail facial wash,
hand
the
cream, face wash, aloe mist. We love this. We have this amazing 24 gold ampoule. This is very nice, one of our favorites. And then we come down to
BTS product.
BTS products. I love this one. I think I will take this coaster for my future coffees. Help me.
So we have the coaster. We have Tata and Cookie. So
Ooh!
that's BTS
Ooh, exciting! I'm gonna take it myself. Okay, okay, okay. We're out of time. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, sorry. Today we have to cut off because we want to keep our cutoff time. So what did we do today?
So we introduce you our Nature Republic
Uh-huh.
products and the Shingmulwon products.
Okay.
So thank you for watching.
Thank you for hosting this wonderful live streaming. Okay. Next time, we will show you something else. And we will try better each time. Okay. Thank you.
So thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
If you want to know our shop, just search Korean
Korea Shop ABC. Korea Shop ABC. Not,
Korea.
please don't type Korean Shop ABC. We don't know who they are and we cannot verify what they're selling. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you again. See you. Bye.
Thank you for watching.